Hey guys, today we are going to be making some Valentine's hair bows that are just so cute. Most of these materials are things I've had sitting around my house, so you probably won't find these exact items in a store, but I encourage you to get creative and use anything around your own house to make these. And I've collected a few types of clips, and for the red and pink clips I cut a piece of ribbon the same length as the clip. For the red clip, I cut two 18-inch pieces of ribbon. For the pink clip, I cut two 6-inch pieces of ribbon. You can use any little charms or gems you have for decorations. For the Hello Kitty bow, I used two 12-inch pieces of lace, 6 inches of red ribbon, and 18 inches of tulle. That would be two pieces that are 18 inches. Extra clips and hair ties were used as pins to hold the pieces together until the glue dried. For the macaroni puppy bow, I cut two pieces of 6 inches by 3 inches of the puppy fabric and 2 inches by 1 inches of the kitty fabric. I used pinking shears on the edges so nothing had to be hemmed, and this is why I'm calling it a macaroni bow, because it looks like macaroni bow ties, guys. For the red bow, I've glued my ribbon to the clip using some tacky glue and let it dry. Then you want to pull one piece of ribbon halfway through the clip and tie it in a knot. Take your other ribbon piece and glue it onto the clip facing the same way as the piece already on the clip. Braid the three pieces together with the wrong side facing you. Fold this over across the top of the clip and use the long ribbon to tie it in a knot. Tie the short pieces of ribbon into a bow and leave the long ribbon as a tail or cut it off. For the pink bow, I've tacky glued my ribbon to the clip again, just like with the red one. Then I'm folding one piece of ribbon 3/4 of the way over and hot gluing it in place. Fold the ribbon on the seam and glue it in place again. Do the same with the other piece of ribbon and glue them to the clip. Cover the seam with a charm or gem. This is definitely the easiest of the hair clips to make. For the macaroni bow, you want to start by gluing around the bumpy edge of one piece of fabric and folding it over so the bumps line up. Glue along the middle seam and repeat this with the other piece. Cover the edge you want to be bunched together with glue and pinch it together so it's flat and wide when both pieces are glued together. Glue the kitten piece over the bunched up fabric. Hot glue your macaroni bow to whatever type of hair clip you want. This one is definitely my favorite because I love the fabric so much and think it is just the cutest thing ever. For our last bow, fold your tulle in half and lay it on top of the lace, then fold both pieces in half again. Fold them both in half again after this. You're going to want something like a clear elastic to hold this piece together while you do the other steps because it's very fiddly. Fold your red ribbon over so that when you fold it in half, the hearts are showing on both sides. Add it to your bunch of tulle and lace. Hot glue both bunches together. I didn't care about the clear rubber bands at this point because I knew they wouldn't show. Cover your seam with a large gem or button. Glue your bow to a large hair clip. Looks like we've got our 4 different types of Valentine's Day bows we can go ahead and wear now. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty content. Let me know down in the comments if you try any of these bows or have any ideas for what I should make next. See you guys next week. Stop, 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 stop. It should be facing the other way. Gosh darn it. That is adorable. I love it.